Hello there. Today I'm sharing this recipe I learned many years ago. I have been enjoying it with my family since. This is not my recipe, but I have modified it slightly. It is quick and easy to make and fantastic for hosting, as you will not have to spend all day in the kitchen. So let's start. In a big baking tray, add the chicken thighs. I use skinless and boneless ones, but you can use any of your preference. To this, I will then add the miniature potatoes alternating with the chicken. I then add the chorizo chunks alternating in the spaces that I find around. I will then add the onions and make sure to spread them across the tray so the flavors are combined. I wish I knew this dish when I used to spend all day helping my mom to prepare the food for when we had guests for dinner. This is way easier. What is your favorite dish for hosting? Once I see that the tray has been arranged nicely, I will then add the zest of one orange on top and also dry oregano and salt and pepper to taste. After that, I add the extra virgin olive oil, a quarter of a cup more or less, making sure that all the tray is covered, and then in the same way I add the juice of the one orange. I will then take the tray to the oven for around 50 minutes. Make sure that if you use chicken with bones, cook longer for around an hour, and this is to 180 degrees Celsius. I serve with a fresh side salad, and this is it. It's super simple. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Thank you.